So first of all, though, how to inculcate reading habits in kids and when to start is very, very important. When to
See,
start?
I would say 5 months, 6 months is a
Okay.
very good time when you can start reading. Yes, some parents would complain that a child doesn't listen. So that's where you can have the right kind of books. And I would again say, when your child is very little, you make
Hmm.
them sit in your lap, you expose them to the same book every day. Don't keep on changing the stories. Let your child, like when your child is little, they have that one favorite toy,
Hmm.
right? And they, even if you have like 10 cuddlies in the house, they would want that one toy. So similarly, let them have that one favorite book which
Okay.
the child is exposed to repeatedly. So I would say Eric Carle books are very good, because Eric Carle is an American children's author and illustrator, and his illustrations are something that really catches the eyes of the little infants and toddlers. So the
Okay.
way it has been designed. So we have Brown Bear, Brown Bear.
Ah.
Okay, so that is a book by Eric Carle.
Okay.
And then we have Rooster Off to See the World, another book by Eric Carle. So my suggestion would be stick to one book, and there is absolutely no hack. There is no shortcut. There is only the longest route to take, because if you want to inculcate reading in your child, you, dear mom or dad, would have to sit with the child, undivided attention, and you have to read out to that child. Like, I remember when my son, he was a reader, but when he
Hmm.
was shifting from picture books to novels, now he's a reader, so I'm a very eager mom. मैं चाहूँगी अब वो जल्दी से novel पढ़े, chapter books
Right.
पढ़ना शुरू करे. But the child doesn't want to do that, and he's a reader. So then I realized that अभी तक तो वो छोटी बुक्स पढ़ रहा था. He was over in 10
Yeah.
minutes. Now if I expect कि वो पढ़े and bookmark लगाए, so then I started co-reading. I sat with him. I said, "You read one page, I read one page. You read one page, I read one page." And
Hmm.
then it became smooth, and he was reading on his own. Similarly, I remember when I introduced Harry Potter. Now, again, my son is a reader, so I'm a very enthusiastic mom. I should give him Harry Potter. And my son is very candid in giving feedback. He said, "Mummy, honestly, Harry Potter has so much repetition. I don't know why J.K. Rowling keeps on describing the scenes, and she uses so many synonyms that something that can be written in short, she's made it so lengthy."
Hmm.
The movies are absolutely fine. But then
Yeah.
we got him the illustrated version, and again we co read Harry Potter with him. And it's a tedious task. It is a tedious task. Okay, but yes, you get tired, you are not used to. But yeah, that is the way.
If my child is now 5 years, 6 years, and still I haven't introduced too much of reading, how can we do that?
So for a child who's 5 or 6, I would say don't think that you're too late. But yes,
Hmm.
again, introducing the right books to her which really appeal to her imagination, and more importantly, because she is right now in a stage where she's able to read a little and
Yeah,
read like little but not completely.
completely. Yes.
So here we have to give her books which have rhyming words, which have
Okay.
rhyming endings, because there the child will be able to register more. And I
Okay.
tell a lot of parents, it's okay अगर आपके बच्चे ने बुक रट ली है. Okay,
Hmm.
sometimes parents को लगता है कि ये तो बुक रट ली,
Book
पढ़ नहीं
correctly.
रहे. I
हाँ.
say that's completely okay. Even if they've read it, now what you can do, you show them the book readings on YouTube. See, for the same book that you have been reading
Okay.
to your child, of course, you also get tired. Now,
Yeah,
for the
right.
same book, there are book readings available on YouTube. When your child is seeing the book reading on YouTube, there are subscripts coming, and the
Hmm.
child is also able to see the pictures and the words there. So, it
Right.
does help you further, develop that reading capability, and let the child learn, because then only the child will be able to comprehend the story. Reading is one part, comprehending is equally important, which we
Hmm.
see as a strength in our students, that the children are able to comprehend the stories well.